Today in PAI, in the northern Thailand, we're going to explore the Yun Lai Viewpoint, gonna go through the Chinese village and eat in a local restaurant. This is Deborah Travels. Welcome to PAI, Part 3.
So we walked up to Yun Lai Viewpoint just outside of PAI. It's usually, it's better for sunrise, but seeing as the time of year we're in now, it's very misty in the morning. There's a lot of fog in the morning, so we tried to see what it's like at sunset. There's sort of 360-degree view from the viewing platform up here. It's amazing views. You can see all of PAI and the whole mountain range around us. The sun will set probably about an hour and a half from now, so we may or may not stay for that because it's just going to disappear down behind the mountains, and then we won't be able to see much. But behind us is a much better view, the sunrise, so we'll show you guys that another time. It's like I said, it's a fantastic view from up here. You can see we walked it. It's about an hour and a half from the centre of PAI, but pretty much everyone takes a scooter or a taxi as part of a tour to come up here. But it wasn't much of an effort to come up here really. Once you're up here,
It's a steep.
it's a very steep hill. Probably about 20%, something like that.
At least.
Come 1 in 5, I think. Yeah, the last little bit pretty steep, but it's nothing. It's not that hard really, because once you're up here, you can spend a couple of hours up here. So there's a cafe up here which will charge you 20 baht each to get into this little green area here, but it's not a lot. You can't expect everything to be free. But some people are a bit angry by having to pay, but 20 baht is.
You get a ticket.
Yeah, you get a proper ticket, so it's not like they're trying to scam you or anything. It's another popular destination for the tourists here, and you can see why. It's a lot of views. So you have to walk through the little sort of Chinese village, which sort of mixed reviews on that. A lot of people probably find that it's a bit of a tourist hotspot, so sort of trying to get as much money out of tourists as possible. But I think it's just there's a small Chinese community just outside of PAI, and they've just sort of built on that basically just to sort of profit from it, which I can't blame them for. It's pretty much purpose-built for tourism. Obviously there will be a Chinese community who live here, but they've expanded on it for profit, which is fair enough. But we just sort of walked straight through it just to try and get straight here, but it's a nice pleasant evening. We've run out of water, but we still enjoy it. It's very peaceful. to do that again. There's a little bit more in it, but you can always add more of the greens in here, sort of to your taste. And then, so we have the somtam, which is just a papaya salad, so it's a vegetarian dish. It's peanuts, there's the green beans, tomatoes, probably shredded cabbage in there. Yesterday's one came with like a blue crab, a small blue crab, but we didn't ask for that today. Just sort of have to scoop this in because it's long noodles. The lime adds an extra flavour, but with the meat version, it definitely takes it to another level. It's a lot nicer. So much better. Need a fork, really. Not for us anyway. Yep.